Many beginners assume a neat weld always means a good weld. However, in welding, appearance and quality don't always go hand in hand. In this exercise, I performed a 1F position weld using 2 layers. The first layer used a pulling technique with 110 amperes. The relatively high current helped form the weld line quickly and steadily. During the process, some porosity appeared in the weld. Porosity usually occurs due to material contamination, electrode moisture, or suboptimal flux gas shielding. Although it may seem small, defects like this still need to be addressed. Since this was just a practice session, I didn't grind the porosity area. In professional work, this step is actually not recommended, because any remaining defects can become trapped under the next layer. But for practice purposes, I wanted to see how the second layer affected the final weld surface. The second layer uses a zigzag technique with an amperage of 100. The zigzag motion helps even out the bead. It also covers imperfections in the previous layer. At this stage, movement rhythm and melt control are the main focus, because a neat end result always comes from consistent control. Visually, the weld looks clean, neat, and professional. The bead forms evenly with a fuller surface than the first layer. But remember, a good external appearance doesn't always guarantee that all internal defects have been removed. Don't like and subscribe.